In this video, we're going to see the top 10 weight loss exercises that burns calories and builds muscle, which is essential for increasing your metabolism so that you can burn even more calories and lose more weight. So let me present to you the top 10 weight loss exercises you should definitely try. Walking is an ideal exercise for weight loss. It doesn't require any equipment and you don't need a gym membership to do it. It's a low-impact exercise, which means it won't blow out your knees or cause other stress injuries. For those with certain health issues, including obesity and heart disease, walking is an effective, low-intensity weight loss activity that can lead to better overall health, as well as better mental well-being. Depending on how much you weigh, walking at a pace of 4 miles per hour will burn between 5 and 8 calories every minute, or between 225 and 360 calories for a 45-minute walk. At this pace, walking 45 minutes a day most days, you can lose up to a pound a week without changing any other habits. Running is one of the top full-body workouts out there, and the best part is that the only equipment you need is a pair of good shoes. Running is one of the most efficient methods of burning calories. For every mile you run, you burn approximately 100 calories. Jogging a few kilometers a day will boost your metabolic rate, increase your fitness levels and endurance, help you shed that unwanted body fat. All this will happen faster than you ever thought possible. Jumping rope is a seriously simple but effective weight loss exercise. 10 minutes of jumping rope burns the rough equivalent of running an 8-minute mile. This weight loss exercise also improves cardiovascular endurance, coordination, and agility. If you're looking for a fun way to tone up and lose weight, why don't you try dancing? This is an excellent way to raise your heartbeat, and the constant challenges along with the change in rhythm and routines will make sure you never get bored. Luckily, there are many different types of dancing activities, so you can be sure that you'll find something that fits your personality and your lifestyle. Step aerobics is one form of exercises to lose weight. It's a well-recommended cardio exercise that mainly targets your butt, legs and hips, and at the same time burn almost 400 calories in just half an hour. Step aerobics is not complicated at all, as what most people see. It is very easy to learn if you begin with a training class or video. Swimming is one form of exercises to lose weight. It's considered complete body exercises. The more body parts you use in your exercise, the more calories you burn. For instance, breaststroke alone can burn almost 400 calories. It is as well beneficial to asthmatic person. Bicycling, one of the outdoor favorites. There's nothing like riding a bike on a nice day. Stationary indoor cycles are great too, and can provide an equally good exercise to lose weight quickly. In fact, if you apply the right amount of resistance at the right speed, you can lose between 250 and 500 calories in half an hour. Here is a fun game that will provide you a great opportunity to burn some extra calories while improving your speed, strength and reaction time. A continuous workout of tennis for 1 hour will help you burn around 600 and 900 calories of body fat. Kickboxing is primarily known for developing great cardiovascular fitness, and unlike running, cycling and other popular cardio activities, it works the whole body while hitting the core muscles hard too. In terms of calorie burning, it outdoes the regular jogging and walking workout any day, while being more fun as you do a lot of different moves compared to doing just one movement continuously for an hour. Playing a game of basketball is an easy and effective way to improve your flexibility, endurance level, and cardiorespiratory health. The running and the quick alteration in directions while playing the game will also help you tone your muscles while dropping a few calories. On an average, you lose around 600 and 900 calories while playing basketball for an hour.